The book opened wide with a golden light. A rhyme flew out, soft, warm, and bright. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. They called the doctor, and doctor said, "No more climbing, choose the grass instead." He gave a smile and a bandage too. "Stick to the ground, it's best for you." I stood up tall, I'm feeling fine. Let's sit on the grass next time, not climb. The children clapped with joyful eyes, their hearts aglow like morning stars.